It's a certified 2019 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: auto-dimming rear view mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. The time is now. See it for yourself today. Call us today at 561-508-9936.